3, 2, 1, go! He's avoiding it. Like what?
It's supposed to be killing it. No, Cinnamon!
That's it. Killing mode. Hey, I'm gonna do it in basic summon. And basic attack mode.
Yeah. What the
It's
hell?
too deadly.
What the hell? I remember that kid who played that too hard. His skin got ripped off. Dang.
Damn. Oh my god! He just do that?
What?
Yo, why is this guy doing? What the heck?
You know,
So strong.